Hello, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the Samsung dishwasher RC code. This code. That means your dishwasher is leaking, and that's why it is making that noise. It is stuck in that code. So today I'll be showing you how to fix. Yeah. After you disconnect the power to your dishwasher, it's to make sure you don't get electrocuted. After you disconnect the power, it's time to clean. Most likely, you will see the water around here, the foam. If you see the foam here, that means it's leaking. This is where it is leaking from. This is the seal. This is the seal. There's a seal here. That means that's where it is leaking from. Right? Because maybe you have used the wrong soap. For mine to leak, I used the wrong soap. I used the wrong soap. I did not read the instruction. I just put it in. That's one reason why it will leak. If you use the wrong soap, definitely it will leak around here. The other thing is why it will leak is to put too much soap. There's a mark up to where you are supposed to put the mark. Don't fill all the way. If you fill all the way, I can guarantee you it will leak. It will leak. There's a line up to where you are supposed to put the soap. Okay, and that's why you see it will leak around here. The other place where it will leak, in the back, there's two pipes which brings in the water and the one which takes out the water. So if you see the foam here, right, that means it's leaking from here. So, and that's what happened to mine because I used the wrong soap. So all what I did is I wiped all the water around here, right? You wipe the water around here, then I remove the two, here there's a cover here, right? I remove this cover, there's two screws down here. All you just need, you don't need the power tool. All you just need is your screwdriver. I don't want to use the power tools so that you don't have an electric. That's why you should not do it. This is the cover I'm talking about. It covers around here. So here you have the water. You'll see the water around here, right? So if your dishwasher is not leaking from the seal, and you can't tell where it is leaking from, and the light is on, if you remove this cover, you will be able to see the water around here. Then you will know it is leaking in the back. That way, now you will have to remove the dishwasher to see what it is. To see it's leaking from where, which pipe is leaking. But if it's leaking, putting like the wrong soap or too much soap, you don't have to remove the dishwasher. Just do what I did. I wiped the water here, I removed this cover, then I dried the water as much as I could. Put the paper towels in there, remove them, put another one. Then what I didn't do anything else. I left this cover out. For one day. Yeah, what happened is the sensor is underneath, very close to the floor. That's how they put it, so that you don't get too much water. So it's just a little rig. It should be able to sensor and goes on that mode, LC, then it will not be pumping any more water into the washer or pumping more water out, or try to get more water in the washer, and that water will keep on leaking out. Some people have seen some videos. Some people will tell you there's something wrong with your washer if that LC code keep on coming on. No, there's nothing wrong. It's supposed to be very close to the floor. So that it turns off the water instead of you getting too much water in your house. Some people will have said, yeah, they can move it or they can fix it permanently. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. What is your dishwasher is telling you? There's water leak. There's water leak. That's basically it. Please, don't move. Don't relocate. The sensor is underneath. It's underneath, very close to the floor. All it does is turn off the water to the dishwasher. That's basically it. So please don't do it like other people will say. You relocate. Imagine if you relocated 1 inch, just 1 inch up from the floor. That means you'll have to get 1 inch of water. 1 inch of water in your house before the sensor can sense there's water leak. There's water leak. You'll have the water. If you have the whole of house, like 1 inch, that means it will run the whole night, pump the water out. That's basically it. You have to clean the whole house. If you have the carpet, you have to drill to dry the carpet, or to call someone to come and dry the carpet. It will cost you. It will cost you to relocate the washer. Mine was very little water which leaked out. Just wipe here, just wipe underneath. I kept this one out. I put this. I did not put this one back for 1 day, and that's basically it. The sensor dried. The water dried by itself, all by itself. I did not remove the dishwasher out to wipe the water. No, it leaked just enough. I removed the cover, wipe, and that's basically it. So please, don't relocate the sensor. There's a reason why it is down there. There's a reason why it is down there. If you can't figure out the leak, please call the authorized dealer for the dish who can service your dishwasher. Then we'll check as to why it is leaking. If you let it stay for 1 day, mine it took only 1 day. Let it dry down. 1 day, but if you can give it another extra day, it's fine. So you don't have to pay anybody. And maybe that day, then you can call somebody to come and check for you why it is leaking or why the sensor is not going off. But please don't relocate the sensor. Don't relocate leak sensor. It's underneath. Okay? If you like my video, share and subscribe. Take care. See you in the next video. Ciao.